Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making lemongrass chicken. Lemongrass is used in a lot of Southeast Asian cuisine. We love it because it introduces a lot of new flavor to your kitchen. And if you're like me, it's nice to just kind of spice things up once in a while with a new ingredient. Let's get started. So this is the beast. This is lemongrass. And you can see it comes in stalks like this that kind of peel off. And we're going to peel that off. We use about 2 of these stalks. And we'll use the part in the middle is the flavorful part. It has a very, very strong flavor of lemon, but without the same acidity. And the fresh taste of lemon lasts even after you've marinated and cooked the chicken. In addition to the lemongrass, we have tamari or soy sauce, some sesame oil, garlic, black pepper. For garnish, we have some cilantro and sesame seeds. And then for our chicken, we are using chicken thighs, boneless. You can also use chicken breast, but I think the thighs hold up a lot better to the marinade. So I'm just going to trim the ends off of the lemongrass. And then I'm going to cut it into very long, thin strips. I'm going to want to cut this very, very finely. And I'm going to line these up and chop them into very, very fine dice. All right, let's throw that in a bowl. That's going to get mixed with all of our other marinade ingredients. Next, I'm going to microplane 5 cloves of garlic in here. You can chop the garlic too, but this is easy and quick. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A good grind of black pepper. A teaspoon of sesame oil. Gotta get some more of that. And an ingredient I forgot to mention earlier, about a teaspoon of sugar. You can use regular sugar, but I think brown sugar works a little bit better. Dissolves more easily. We'll give that a good mix. This whole marinade now is going to go into a bag, into a Ziploc bag, just like that. I want to get all that flavor out. And I'm going to add our chicken. I have 4 boneless chicken thighs. For this amount of marinade, you could probably even get 2 more, maybe even 4 more. All right, I'm going to just seal this bag. And then just kind of move that around and make sure that the marinade gets all over the chicken. Now, you're going to want to marinate this in the fridge for at least an hour. If you can wait overnight, that's even ideal. Our chicken has been marinating for a couple hours and we're ready to take it out. I'm going to lay it on this plate and then get it into the hot pan. I have the pan heating up with 2 teaspoons of oil, and as soon as the oil is smoking hot, I'll go ahead and add the chicken. I'm going to turn down the temperature now to medium. I want to get that initial sear, but I don't want this to burn. And this is going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes per side. The chicken is done when it springs back when you press it. These here look like they are ready to come out. This one here still seems a little bit spongy. We'll give that another minute. All right, this smells amazing and we're ready to plate it. You could just put the chicken right on some rice, but I think it really looks nice if you slice it first. So we're gonna just go ahead and slice it like that. You can see this beautiful char that it got on the outside from the soy sauce, and the sugar really helps give it a nice color, a nice texture. And the lemongrass also gives it a tiny bit of crunch. So we got that. Put it here on our rice. Like that. And for color, we'll add a little bit of cilantro. And for some final flavor and texture, we have some sesame seeds as well. Black sesame seeds work really well too. There you have it. Lemongrass chicken. Enjoy.